What is up, guys? So it is the weekend, the sun is out, it's above 40 degrees, it feels like summer, it's fantastic. Today's a great day, everyone's out, finally, enjoying the good weather, so the shop's pretty packed today. But today we're gonna focus on getting the S13 all cleaned up, getting the SR all cleaned up, and working on the budget hatch, I think.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It's not so much working, but
Just doing.
doing, existing, living.
So I gotta take the fenders, the lights, all the Sylvia stuff off the coupe so we can clean it up, get it ready, and Brian Hall's gonna paint it. It's crazy that the fender literally supports the headlight.
It's so surprising that that doesn't crack or anything.
I love the way these fenders look, but God, do I hate fiberglass fenders. Look how much dirt
Oh my God.
from the road course.
That's literally it from that one time we went off-roading at the road course.
But look how flimsy these things are, dude.
They are flimsy, flimsy.
It's officially unsylviaed. It is now just a plain old 240 with actually, it looks like every other 240 with no engine and no front end on it. But I said whoever gets the Sylvia brackets first can keep them, can get new ones.
Why are we always wrestling?
Brian Hall is going in for the snake.
Brian!
Put him higher.
I won the fight, dude. That doesn't even count.
Who got the brackets though?
How do you feel, Jip?
Tired.
Give me one of them. Give me one.
The tolerance on these things are disgustingly impressive.
It's a tight fit.
Well, now the 240 is stripped. It looks like every other 240 out there right now. But I'm excited, all plugged up. Probably gonna pull RJ's car right back out.
Are you taking it out?
Yeah. I'm sorry. For the day a little late. We were up really late last night, so that kind of screwed me. But power wash this tonight, and then we'll pull it back in and start taking it apart. Don's actually pulling the KA on his S14.
Yep.
How's that going so far?
Almost done.
That's good news. First time the 240's been outside in months. It's this car. I love this car, dude.
This is great lighting.
The purple power isn't working as well as I thought it would, just because, I mean, there's like a layer of grease and oil all over the base of the car. So we're gonna go get some engine degreaser, really eat it off, and try again. Jip, I'm giving you a mission while I'm gone. Get oil in your car. Just do it. Probably should have got 2 bottles of this thing, but
Jimmy's so concerned with degreasing the car that he forgets that he's got to keep it healthy, give it its minerals, some vitamins, all that good stuff, make sure it runs nice and good for the next season.
so she's as clean as she's gonna get. Still a lot of grease, you know, in the nook and crannies of things. Underneath is gonna be a whole nother story. I'm not excited for that, but 40 is back in place and it's all clean. Very stoked. Now, this was more probably to clean the accessories and anything else, because once I do pull out all the accessories, all the lines, I'm gonna have to pull the car back out, jack it up, and spray the whole underneath. Because when I tell you guys there's oil on everything, there is oil on everything. It is such a mess. Now, the engine, I wanted to power wash today. As you can tell, this is also filthy. But, of course, running around all day, ran out of time. Now it's dark out, and I don't want to do it in the dark because I'm going to miss spots, have to redo it, and it's a mess. So I'll do it tomorrow. No biggie. But I hear him next door, and Chip finally got Chip finally got oil in his car, and I want to hear it crank. So we're going to go journey next door and see how this works. Crank.
She ain't gonna hit.
She cranks. It's not gonna start. I don't think the ECU's even plugged in.
Grounds or something, not cranking hard enough.
Yeah, I think so. It cranks. Sure does crank.
Call your tuner, Jeff.
Needs a tune and a math.
Get an SR20. Let's pull it.
And you don't have an O2 sensor. No wonder why this thing doesn't want to do anything. It cranks though.
Yeah. I'm hyped to cranks. Sounds solid.
All right, we'll get that base map on, clean up the
done
rest,
got-
and we'll be all set. Banjo.
Yo, you just missed it, bro. It just fired.
I lied, I'm bored, let's wash this thing. So in prep of that, you gotta make sure everything is either capped or plugged that can't get water inside of it, obviously. And I mean, that's really it. So inlets for everything, all the vacuum inlets, everything. You don't want water in any of this. So I'm gonna go cap everything and get some more degreaser. So I plugged everything up with vacuum caps, as you can see, all around, everywhere. Got to make sure no fluid is getting in here, even on the exhaust side, just to play it safe. Doesn't really matter about the coolant pipe stuff. Basically, I mean, there's water going through that anyway, so you could, power wash now is just gonna flush it out anyway, so don't worry about that. The alternator can get a little iffy, you gotta be really careful with this, but I'm very confident we'll be all set, so. I gotta get some more degreaser because I used all of it on the damn S13 and let it sit, wash it, and then I guess we can take it apart. All right, this time we bought the cheap stuff. Has a lot more ingredients in it that are illegal in a lot of states, so we're gonna assume this might work a little bit better. We'll find out. A little before and after, even though it's a little dark, you probably won't really notice it much. Yeah, it looks a lot cleaner on camera than usual.
I can see it. Wow.
All right, you guys probably can't see me much because it's dark as hell outside, but did a pass of degreaser and power wash real quick. I'm freezing, I'm soaked, my face is probably dirty as all hell. I did a second pass with the more expensive degreaser, the one with the image on it, and it's like frozen on the freaking engine. The engine's literally frozen. It sucks. Not stoked. Everything's frozen. I picked a horrible day to do this. I think my trigger's frozen. All right, so this is as best as it's gonna get for now, but Don's been working on getting his KA apart all day. He has to pull it out right now because someone's coming to buy it. So you boys ready to pull a KA real quick?
Never.
Never. This is going to you, right?
No, it's me.
Oh.
It's going to my hard body.
Oh,
A
awesome.
little right-hand drive one.
So fun.
And there goes all your going.
Do we have to go up? It seems like it's hanging on something else.
So, before you guys roast me on the internet, I made a rookie mistake. We were sitting here yanking the hell out of the motor, and we thought it was the exhaust the whole time. But
He has a shifter extension on too.
yeah, I forgot to pull the shifter out before the motor. So, yeah, we're trying to get that out now.
What screwed us is the stupid cat right here getting caught on his steering shaft. You always gotta disconnect the header. Hold on, you're just pulling a steering shaft.
Turn the wheel.
There you go. You're good.
Turn the wheel.
Yak it, pull it forward. Slowly. Pull this out, right there. Alright, lower it down. Right there. Now that it's thawed out, I'm pretty happy with it. It's definitely a lot cleaner than it was. I mean, this motor was so gross when I got it. This is really the first time I got to clean it. Only looks way better. I mean, look at that. That was screwed before. So tomorrow I'm definitely picking up another shelf. One of these plastic shelves right here. They're like 40 bucks, which is sick. Because I want to be able to lay out all the parts for the engine for this car specifically all in one spot. So I don't mix it up. Tomorrow, if everything goes correctly, because I hate, you never know, something really cool is about to happen, and I know a lot of you guys are about to be stoked. You have no idea what it is. DJ knows what it is. RJ knows what it is. He knows what it is. He's got a front seat. Look at him. He's so good.
Yeah. It's my little co-pilot.
Wait, what? What the hell? Why does it look so weird? Why does it look so weird? Oh, it's a Legacy STI. What? Is that a thing? Dude.
I don't like.
Oh, it's an Evo. Living the dream, Banyo. Living the dream. Found a shelf. What can it hold? 3,000 pounds. We can put my car on it.
It only weighs.
support.
Well, it looks like I have no excuse not to start taking stuff off my motor and or my vehicle. Darn it. The newest build on the channel, a shelf.
But they're usually really good.
Nice. These bolts aren't impossible, but they're definitely not fun to do. Get those after. And then this is where the magic happens. This bad layer. Nice. Now it's just a little baby SR.
You know what you gotta do? Oh, you know what? It's a on what? It's people.
All right, SR is empty enough. I'm happy with it. Got enough done today. Tomorrow is gonna be a really big day. I'm really excited for it. Gonna be some big changes happening. I can't wait. Still, of course, a lot of work with the SR, a lot of work with the 240, but we'll casually get this all back together soon enough, and I cannot wait. It's now the part of the day where we sit down, hang out, and play some Nintendo Switch, and that's it. But I gotta go home soon, edit my video, wake up early, head out tomorrow, and pick up a new fantastic surprise. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys liked today's video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's, where we're gonna be announcing something freaking sick. We're gonna be doing more cool stuff, and these guys are weird. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, grab some merch, do all that cool stuff. Good night.